Hey everyone, I wanted to do another, this is not really a Metaverse tutorial, but how to record your screen and your phone, just to make it easier for you guys to make tutorials. So the first thing you want to do is go up here and type in open broadcast software. So then you go to this website. So what you're going to see is an OBS studio. This is for like if you're a live streamer, I guess, or it's a newer version. I'm not sure how to use this version for this. I'm pretty sure this is basically for live streaming and doing that. So, but if you go up here and hit download and you scroll down to OBS Classic, that's the one I currently use. If you wanted to, I'm sure you could install the new one and learn how to use it, but for the point of this tutorial, I'm just show you guys how to use the classic version because that's what I'm using and it works pretty good just for recording your screen because I'm currently not live streaming or anything. So download installer and go ahead and download that. And what you also want to do is go up here and um, OBS, Open Broadcast Software, it has its own, right here you can see it has its own way to record audio, but the thing I use is something called Audacity, and you can see it here. And what it does is, I'm not going to really show you guys how to use it, but if you go here and click this button, it'll start recording your voice. And yeah, go here and download for Windows, and then download it. But what it does is it records your voice, and you can make your voice sound better and worse. But the thing is with this, what you want to do on OBS is disable this. So put this all the way down because this is your mic, and it'll just record audio. So then you have to take your mic voice and put it together in an editing software like Sony Vegas or Adobe Premiere, something like that, and like mash it up, and there could be delays and stuff. But if you want your voice to sound better, just look up Audacity tutorial, and it's very easy to use. Just set some few settings, but main purpose of this is just going to be how to record your screen because you can basically record your screen. You can basically just record your screen with with this, and you can use the audio. The audio is not bad, but I found it skips a little bit. But like the first tutorial I did has that audio, and it's not that bad honestly. So when you open the software up, you're gonna want to go up here and go to settings and hit settings. And I'm just gonna go through my settings real quick. You can look up OBS best recording settings if you want to, but these are the ones I use. I'm just gonna go through them real quick. So encoder, use CBR, use 15,000. Like this can change depending on your how good your computer is. You're gonna have to look up the best thing for your computer. So just look up something like OBS best settings to use for recording. So that's where my recording outputs to audio. This is where you're gonna set your audio and how to record it. Hotkeys. I don't want that. Advanced. You can change all this. This is stuff you're gonna have to like just find in another video. This is and like if these settings don't work for you, just finding them in another YouTube video will help. And that's about it for that. So to record your screen, you're gonna want to go to here, hit add new scene, and you're gonna just name this one screen recorder, something like that. And my screen went black because it stopped recording. But when you go here, you're gonna click on it, and over here you're gonna right click, add, and hit monitor capture, and hit OK. And basically this is how you're gonna record your monitor. So if you want your mouse cursor to record, there you go. This will be how bright it is, but usually you just want this set base resolution. That just sets it to how big your monitor is. So that should be good. And you just hit OK, and now you should be recording your uh, your your monitor. So over here, you hit start recording, and it should just go. And depending on what settings you set, I think they're in right here. This will be where it. And then you want to hit here and hit file output only. Make sure you do that because that'll that'll be saved as a file then. Then you put a file and it'll save your recording to there. So so there now you're gonna have your recording, and it's gonna save it to your file. So mine is in here. So it's gonna be for me, it's a VLC media player folder. And to put it in my editing software, it has to be an MP4. So the way I convert it is you hit right click, new, text document, and just name this anything like convert. And then you're going to open it, and then look, here's mine right here, edit. Alright, now I'm going to put this in the description. Just copy this and put it into your notepad. Now go to file, save as, and type this convert MP4. And make sure you go to save as type, hit all files, and hit save. So, oh, my bad. Sorry, don't do that. Here, go here. Yeah, okay. Go to the notepad, put it in here, file, save as, all files. Now, you have to convert .bat here. So add whatever your name is, convert MP4, whatever, and put .bat, and make sure this is on all files, and hit save. Now, it'll have this, and then you take your FOV, so this is what it records as, and you just drag it onto here, and it'll bring up a CMD window, and it'll just say like, I can actually do it here, I think. So you go on, you drag it on here, it'll bring this up, and okay, whatever. Here, let me make it overwrite. So it'll do all this, and then it'll say waiting for 1 second, press a key to continue, and you press the key, and it'll save it as an MP4, which is what Adobe Premiere can use in its software to edit. So then that's basically it. Okay guys, so this is how you record your phone for when you have to upload the video. So you want to open either one of your recordings that's a VLC and your FLV or whatever. Like open up the VLC media player, and I'm gonna start it recording just so I can show you what to do on the phone. Okay, so let me mute this so I can't hear myself. Okay, Jesus. Alright, so now you see my phone here. So I'm on Android. I think it's easier on Apple because you can set it up differently. I'm not sure. But for Android, I went to the Play Store and you type in screen stream mirroring free. So I use this app. So if you download this app, and open it up, you click on 3 bars at the top left and go to media players. And you see right there it says mirroring available at RTSP 1912.168.0.8, comma or colon 5000/screen. So now you take those numbers, you click up here on VLC Media Player, and you go to Open Capture Device, and it'll bring up this menu. Now go to Network, and if you type in, look, this link right here, if you type that into here and hit play, it should just show it up in your computer. And then when you record on OBS, it has audio that plays, so it'll just record your voice. So start recording, look, you can move around on here and all this crap, and it'll record your voice through your phone mic, so it'll come up as speaker audio. So that's basically all I do. And then once you have the files, you put them into Premiere or Sony Vegas or Windows Movie Maker, whatever you use, and then you can upload it.